Look at how beautiful it looks. Let's turn to the back and say, yeah, really beautiful, neat and well done. You see, I came up with this because of you. Maybe you're on ASU break, ASU hasn't called you back, and you're still at home. You know, if you make this, if you make, let's say, you use your asset brick to make 100 of this, you know how much you can sell this already. The cost of all the materials I used is about 500 naira. We sell this here for like 250 or 300 or about. Let me just say 500 naira for everything here. And you can sell this. I mean, I buy ready-made bralettes for my daughter. I know how much we pay to buy this. Even if it's just 1,000 naira or 1,500, you already know you're making profits. Now imagine you using your brick to make about 100 pieces or 50 pieces of this in different designs, different lovely designs. The more you do, the more creative you become. Actually, that's the beauty of the creative industry. The more you put your hands into things, the more you want to do more, the more ideas start popping into your head. A class where you're being taught how to make shirts, how to make shorts to pair up with this if you want two-piece sets. And you know what this can fetch you if this is a side business, a side hustle for you, either in your business, either in your office, either in your church, either amongst your friends or school or whatever, wherever you find yourself. This is something you can do. Fashion is not all about sewing skirts and blouses, sewing kaftans. There are lots of fields in the industry that we can make money from. A lot of areas where money can be made from, and lingerie business is one of it. I hope this tutorial has helped you. If you do a project, kindly send me a feedback. Let me see how you came up with it. Let me see what your project looks like. To put up for any of my classes, feel free to register for any of my classes. Contact me. I'll be there to take your inquiries. I'll be there to give you some more information on how you can make the best out of your time. Nursing mom, pregnant mommies, stay-at-home mom. Don't just stay at home. Have a backup plan. This is important. Have a backup plan. It helps a lot. And I have a statement I always say. I say skill acquisition is a plus to your CV. No matter where you get, even if you're planning to Japan or relocate, by the time you get there, you'll be so happy you have something handy to do. And your free hours, your leisure time, this will fetch you money without wahala, without stress, and without struggle. A lot you can do. Yes, a lot and a lot more. Connected, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram. My handles are there. Send me emails, add me on WhatsApp, send me a message with your name. I'll save your name so you can be seeing my updates and ideas can pop into your head. I didn't plan to be a fashion designer. It was a hobby. I learned it to be a side hobby. The hobby turned into passion, what I love, and my passion has turned into a full-time business. Look at where I am today. This could be you as well. If you make that move, if you stop procrastinating, if you stop thinking, can I do it? Will I do it? Start with this. This doesn't stress you. Before you know what is happening, you have passion for other things if you want to go ahead. Otherwise, it's enough to start a business, a brand with. Yes, I say that over and over. I wish you well in all you do. Please send me feedbacks. I want your feedbacks. I want your comments, how you did well. And thank you for those who have always been sending me emails, text messages, SMS, WhatsApp messages. I appreciate you all. And I look forward to seeing you some other time. Till I see you some other time, stay good as always.